stayed around Pendy.
Ow!
One thing's dangerous.
Noah, put the other pugs on Abby.
Yeah, but that's why you should play with toys, so you can shorten the response time.
Still really works.
That's why.
Owie! There's one in the kitchen, I think. Ow!
Well, the one keeps going back and forth.
He doesn't get any sleep trying to get back with your
I
practice.
think they're all going
Right,
to
I
the floor.
understand. But I don't really care if your guys get sleep or not.
The excellent view!
Stop that, Noah. No one keeps running back and forth. Do they have this pen yet? If they have a pen, get it.
Ow! 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 Ow!
You like your hair, huh?
Ow!
I'll go off and I'll go.
He's torturing Brooklyn.
Isn't it?
That would make me dizzy.
Brothers and a million cousins that we know about.
I did.
I know what they call you home. I mean, it's not like you're saying, "Hey, mom, it's me, the terrorist."
I know, but over the course of 2 months, he's called from 6 different
It's my bug!
in 2 different cities,
my
never using the same phone twice. And when his mother asked him where he was, he lied. He said that he was in a place in the country with cell reception, implying he was in the Bibles, when in fact he was in a market in Peshawar. I'm sorry, but that's not normal.
No, my bug! It's my bug! It's my bug!
He's just isn't like his mom.
Ow! Tug of war! Fuck tug of war!
Talk about an operation.
Fuck tug of war!
Refers to anything remotely capable. Okay.
No, not okay.
Hey, fuck tug of war! Abby versus 2 pugs!
He works for Bin Laden.
They'll gang up. They'll gang
Play
up.
tug of war!
They'll gang up.
Come on, Boots, you can beat me!
A lot
Ow!
of my friends have died
You
trying
can
to
do it,
this.
Bootsy! Ow! Don't let me beat you!
I believe I was spared
Oh, it's not
something
Bootsy
from the
anymore.
dark.